In the world of fitness, the journey doesn't end when you leave the gym. In fact, that's just the beginning. Quick recovery after intense workouts is crucial for fitness enthusiasts who want to maximize their gains and minimize the risk of injury. Recovery allows your muscles to repair, rebuild, and grow stronger, ensuring that you can tackle your next workout with renewed energy. In this video, we'll dive into effective recovery techniques that can help you bounce back faster and keep you on track toward your fitness goals. From nutrition tips to stretching routines, we'll cover a variety of strategies that are not only informative, but also motivating. So, whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out, get ready to learn how to enhance your recovery process and elevate your performance to the next level. Staying properly hydrated is essential for effective recovery after intense workouts. Water plays a vital role in muscle repair by transporting nutrients to your cells and flushing out toxins that can lead to soreness. When you're well hydrated, your muscles are more resilient, allowing for quicker recovery times and reduced discomfort. To optimize hydration, aim to drink water before, during, and after your workouts. A good rule of thumb is to consume at least 16 to 20 ounces of water a few hours before exercising, followed by sips during your workout, and replenishing with another 16 to 24 ounces afterward. Additionally, consider incorporating electrolyte-rich drinks like coconut water, which can help restore lost minerals and enhance recovery. By prioritizing hydration, you'll not only feel better but also perform better in your next workout session. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in post-workout recovery, and what you eat can significantly impact your muscle repair and overall performance. One of the most critical components is protein intake, as it provides the building blocks your muscles need to recover and grow stronger. Aim to include nutrient-dense foods in your post-workout meals, such as quinoa, chicken, and leafy greens, which not only supply protein but also essential vitamins and minerals. Timing is equally important. Consuming a balanced meal or snack within 30 to 60 minutes after your workout can maximize recovery benefits. This window is crucial for replenishing glycogen stores and kickstarting muscle repair. By focusing on proper nutrition, you'll set yourself up for success, ensuring that your body is well fueled and ready to tackle your next workout with vigor. Rest and sleep are often overlooked, but are essential components of effective recovery. Quality sleep significantly impacts muscle recovery and overall performance, as it is during deep sleep that your body repairs tissues, synthesizes proteins, and releases growth hormones. To improve your sleep quality, consider adopting sleep hygiene practices such as maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and minimizing screen time before bed. Additionally, make your sleep environment comfortable by keeping it dark, cool, and quiet. It's also crucial to prioritize rest days in your workout routine. These days allow your muscles to recover and prevent burnout. By recognizing the importance of rest and sleep, you'll enhance your recovery process, leading to better performance and a more sustainable fitness journey. Remember, recovery is just as important as the workouts themselves. Active recovery is a concept that involves engaging in low-intensity activities to promote recovery while still keeping your body moving. Unlike complete rest, active recovery helps to increase blood flow, reduce muscle soreness, and enhance flexibility, making it an effective way to recover from intense workouts. On your recovery days, consider incorporating activities like yoga, walking, or light cycling. These gentle exercises can help alleviate stiffness and keep your muscles engaged without overexerting them. However, it's essential to listen to your body during recovery. If you feel fatigued or experience pain, it's okay to take a break or opt for complete rest. By integrating active recovery techniques into your routine, you'll not only speed up your recovery process, but also maintain your fitness momentum, ensuring you're ready to tackle your next workout with enthusiasm and energy. Stretching and mobility work are vital components of the recovery process, as they help alleviate muscle tightness and improve flexibility. Engaging in a proper stretching routine post-workout can enhance your range of motion, reduce the risk of injury, and promote overall muscle relaxation. Consider incorporating specific stretches such as hamstring stretches, quadriceps stretches, and shoulder openers to target key muscle groups. Additionally, mobility exercises like hip circles and thoracic spine rotations can further enhance your movement quality. Another effective tool for muscle relief is foam rolling, which helps release tension in tight muscles and fascia. By incorporating foam rolling into your recovery routine, you can improve blood flow and accelerate the healing process. Make stretching and mobility work a regular part of your post-workout regimen, and you'll notice significant improvements in your recovery and overall performance. In this video, we explored the essential components of effective recovery after intense workouts. We emphasize the importance of hydration, nutrition, rest, and active recovery in optimizing your recovery process. Staying hydrated helps with muscle repair, while proper nutrition fuels your body and supports muscle growth. Quality rest and sleep are crucial for recovery, allowing your body to heal and recharge. Active recovery techniques, such as yoga and light cycling, keep your body moving without overexertion. By implementing these strategies, you can enhance your recovery, reduce soreness, and improve your overall performance. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with fellow fitness enthusiasts. Together, let's continue to support each other on our fitness journeys and unlock our full potential.